Good morning, madam. My name is Sigovindra Rajulu, studying in your college in second BTech, and today I am discuss about Poisson distribution problem according to CA2 assignment. First of all, we see the question. If a random variable has Poisson distribution, if P of 1 is equals to P of 2, then we find the four condition according to the question. First of all, we find the mean of the distribution, then P of 4 and probability of x greater than or equal to 1. Then we also find that probability of x greater than 1 and less than 4. This is the overall problem. We can find the solution for this problem. Let us see the solution of this problem. First of all, what we talk about the what is mean by Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is nothing but it is a predicate how many times an event will happens at a certain period. If the event happens randomly and at a time constant average rate. So the event how many times that will happens, that is known as the mainly Poisson distribution. So we go through the problem. First of all, what is the given? P of 1 is equals to P of 2. Then we can substitute the probability of this both. Then we equals these two conditions. Then we get the lambda value. What is the Poisson distribution formula? E power of minus lambda by n factorial. That is equals to E power minus 1 lambda square by 2 factorial. That when we are solving this problem, we get lambda is equals to 2. Then P of 4 by this Poisson distribution, then we can find the P of 4. So we have the formula, then simply we can substitute that value into the Poisson distribution formula. Then we get e power minus lambda power 4 by lambda factorial. Then we can simplify that, then we get 0.090. Then also we can find the P of x greater than or equal to 1. In this case, first of all, here we write this 1 minus P of x less than or equal less than 1. Then here 1 minus, then what is mean by P of x less than 1 means that is nothing but 0. That we can return e power minus 2 power 0 by 1. Then it is equals to 1 minus e square by 1. That changes to 1 minus e power 2. So we can finally get, when solving the P of x greater than or equal to 1, then we get 1 minus e power 2. Then we also find that probability of x greater than 1 and probability is less than 4. So first of all, in the condition we have two cases where first of all probability of x is equals to 2 and another one is probability of x is equals to 3. So if we find the x is equals to 2 and 3, so we have to both add the two conditions. Then we get e power minus lambda by lambda square by 2 factorial plus e minus lambda by lambda cube by 3 factorial. This is the formula for the Poisson distribution. Then we get the, so when we solving this, substitute the values of the probability of x is equals to 2 on the left side and the probability of 3 is equals to 3 in the right side. Then we get e power minus 2 square by 2 factorial. Then e power minus 2 cube by 2 factorial. So that we can finally get that output of this 2 e power minus 2 plus 4 by 3 minus e power minus 2. So when we simplify the values of, finally we get the fourth condition where probability of x greater than 1 and less than 4 is 0.4511. Likewise, this problem can be solved. Finally, we get the solution of this given Poisson distribution problem. Thank you, madam.